To show you how to add a button in a repeater module, or just a link in the repeater module. So let's say, for instance, these are repeater fields. So add, so we're looking for a link. This is our link. And then we need the texts. Let's call this one, for instance, like button text. So button text we have there. So now the way that we have it, this one like this. So what you're gonna do, let's call this one like learn more. And then here we have the link. So the link can be external or it can be anything. So external is any page that is going to redirect to the external site. Here, if you have file in your file manager, here if you want to use email address, blog post, phone number, payment link. So we're going to use our content. Select when you have the content, select. Let's say, for instance, we're going to select just one page for testing purposes. Yeah, so for instance, like that, you just test for testing purposes. So card, link, publish changes. So we have it like that. All right. So now the way that you're gonna have to do it, okay, we have these pages. Yeah, so we have the link. So now for us to use it here, so what we're gonna do is we come again here, we copy snippet. Let's just say paste it there, and then copy the stuff that we want to use. So we just need the variable only. We don't need the extra div element from HubSpot. Link text, we paste it there. So this is our link. It looks like this. So the link starts from here until down there. So we cut it. This we don't need. We already have those ones. Did it. So now we're gonna have to add our link. So we're gonna paste here. So this is the link that you have here. So if you have your div elements, you can wrap it in the div. Let's say, for instance, let's wrap this one in the div, copy, and then paste it inside. And then we're gonna have to give it a class, call it button. So we have button there. So that depends. Otherwise, you can just have this class A instead of the wrapper, or you can just have it like this and after you get the anchor tag. So we have it there. Okay, so these are button. Like preview C, there you can see we have learn more. Let's see preview. Preview if you refresh. Refresh the stuff. Oh yeah, so yeah, because of we did change a bit, so we're gonna have to refresh and then change again the because also sometimes there's a delay or a kind of like a glitch of updating contents. Once you update, let's say for instance, once you add a new field within the custom module that was already on the page, sometimes it's going to reflect those changes directly. So let's say just changing the text there, as you can see it's showing there. More again. So copy, next, copy again, paste. Okay, I'm just pasting it there. Okay, let's see if it's changing. Okay, so let's just say learn and then more again. Right, go back, delete, learn more again, go back, delete, learn more again. Yeah, so absolutely sometimes there's kind of delay. Okay, so kind of like a glitch or something. So we have it like that. So this is the snippet code that You can always see it from HubSpot. So this is the button there. Okay, so now if you want to style it a bit, so okay, so we don't need this one. So if you want to style it, so we have a button there, P, and then anchor tag. So let's say, for instance, we want the button to be background, okay, black, and then text color white, and then after that you want the some padding, let's say 10 pixel around, okay, 20 pixel left and right, top padding. After that we have to put some border radius, 2 pixel. All right, so border radius 2 pixel, text a bit center, text align center, text align center. All right, so we have text align center there. Beautiful. What else again? Yeah, so we have it like that. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Refresh. There you go. So you can see the radius there. We need to remove this text underscore. So text decoration. Yeah, none. So underline. We remove the underline text. Underline what on that text there. So it's been removed. So now if you want to add over effect, so our over effect is gonna be basic. Let's say, for instance, we change the color to red. Use the color red. The color, we don't need to change the color white. We don't need to change none of the stuff already. One thing is changing here, the over effects. Over is changing to red. Refresh the page. And then as you can see there. So now, so this is the way that you add a button in the, yeah, this is the way that you add your button in a module. All right. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.